what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be putting a little video together for you guys working on the Z06. I know it's been a little while since we've done anything with that car, and especially video wise. Just been kind of on the back burner with everything going on. And today's video should be really cool because it's something I've been waiting to do this car for a long time. Had the parts sitting on the back burner, all the hose connections, fittings, everything that we need for this project's been basically just sitting in a box for probably the last 2 years, waiting to go on the car, and finally putting aside the time to make this happen. So over here in the corner, we got FAST LSXR 102 intake manifold with the Nick Williams 102 throttle body in black. We got the fast fuel rails, and then over here in this box I have all the collected parts I've put together since I started planning this project. It's been on the back burner for probably 2 years now that I bought that intake, and I've just been slowly putting together the pieces and everything I need. So I think this is a little book I put together that had notes and stuff. So I got the fuel line kit with all the adapters that I think I'm gonna need. I got my coupler as the evap line. We got the injectors. These are 60-pound injectors here, the O-ring seals. We got a new set of spark plugs, hardware. So everything I think we need to put this together should be here. It's just been so long, like this stuff's been sitting in a box. It's moved a couple of my shops from the old warehouse I was at, the previous warehouse I was at. Now was in storage unit, and I had to dig the stuff out. So anyway, I think we have it all together here, and basically what I wanted to do was part one. The video is just going to be basically tearing everything down and kind of mocking it up, and then seeing to make sure I did in fact order everything we need, because you know how those projects go. You start bolting stuff on, you go, oh, I need an adapter for this, I need that, and generally this stuff goes from a weekend project to now it's dragging on weeks and weeks as you need to order parts. So now that we've given you a little background on the project and what we're going to be doing, I'm going to flip you over onto the tripod and we'll put you on time lapse. So let's break this thing down. Take a look. So first time having the intake or anything really apart on this car in the last 10,000 miles since I put it together, which was quite a few years ago actually. So let me get a light. And actually things don't look bad at all. The ports are really clean. I mean, there's a little bit of oil, but that's not really bad at all, especially, these LSs are known to kind of suck in oil, but having that catch can, I guess, is definitely helping us out. You can see some of the intake. Oh, there we go. So now we got the flash on with the camera. So yeah, you can see a little bit of carbon on the back sides of the valves there. Let's see if we can, I think this one's open. No. Alright, so far everything's looking good. We pulled the intake, took a look in the ports, the back sides of the valves. A little bit of carbon, nothing to be concerned about for probably 10,000 miles of street use, and I think that's a good sign so far. We'll keep digging and see if there's anything else for concern. Alright guys, we got that done in about 20 minutes. I was kind of slotting about an hour to remove the intake, get things cleaned up, and kind of pack it up for tonight. I actually got to fly down to St. Thomas and do some engine work on MAK 453, do a bunch of piston pulls. So I'm gonna be taking a break this week while I'm traveling, and then probably do the install and get back on this next week. So I'll do that in part 2. Alright guys, thanks for checking out this video. Be sure to stay tuned for part 2 when we do the installation. And if you want to stick around, at the end of this video, I'll put some clips in from the trip coming up. You guys can see some of the work on the bigger diesel engine.